Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Fiserv's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Fiserv, a leader in payments and financial services technology, has just released its Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fiserv reported a GAAP revenue of $5.26 billion for Q3 2025, marking a 1% increase from last year. John, how does this align with their profitability metrics?
While the revenue growth is modest, the GAAP EPS saw a significant increase of 49% to 146. However, the adjusted EPS decreased by 11% to 24, which is below the analyst's forecast of 264. This indicates some challenges in maintaining profitability despite revenue growth.
What about their organic revenue growth?
Organic revenue growth was also at 1%, with the Merchant Solutions segment growing by 5%, offset by a 3% decline in the Financial Solutions segment. This mixed performance highlights areas of strength and concern within their business segments.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Fiserv reported an adjusted operating margin of 37.0%. How does this reflect their operational strategy?
The adjusted operating margin has decreased from 40.2% last year, indicating some pressure on operational efficiencies. However, Fiserv has been proactive with strategic initiatives, including a $1 billion share repurchase and securing a new $8.0 billion credit facility, which should support future growth and stability.
And what about their cash flow?
Fiserv generated a free cash flow of $2.88 billion in the first 9 months of 2025, which is a solid figure, although slightly down from $3.34 billion last year. This cash flow supports their strategic investments and shareholder returns.
Leadership and strategic outlook. John, Fiserv has announced some significant leadership changes and strategic plans. Can you elaborate on these?
Absolutely. Fiserv has launched the One Fiserv Action Plan to enhance client focus and drive growth. They've also updated their leadership team with new co-presidents and a CFO, which signals a strategic shift. Additionally, they expect adjusted EPS for 2025 to be between $8.50 and $8.60, reflecting a cautious yet optimistic outlook.
How do these changes impact their strategic direction?
The leadership changes and strategic initiatives are aimed at positioning Fiserv for sustainable growth. The focus on client-first strategies and operational excellence should help them navigate the competitive landscape effectively.